Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a Glossier haul. I got my goodies right here. I ordered a bunch of items from Glossier's website a few weeks ago. I actually waited to open these guys up so that I could do it in camera and try it out with you guys. So this video is going to be like a first impressions. We're just gonna get to try some of these products. I know there was a lot of hype around it, so I just wanted to give them a try. I don't have all of the items, I just picked up a few things. But it's very close to a full face, so I don't want to call it a full face of Glossier, but I think it's going to get very close to it. So I'm just opening these up and taking out what's inside. And this is very cute. It comes in these little pouches. I thought that was very cute, and it would be very useful for traveling as well when we can actually start traveling again. I'm going to put my hair band on. Okay, now that we have our hair out of the way, so I just want to show you guys first what the products look like. So I got their Future Dew Oil Serum, and this is what it looks like. Oh, very cute packaging. And this is what the serum looks like. I just thought this would be very nice for the summertime. Just give us a... And then I have their Perfecting Skin Tint. So I had a lot of reviews about this, and a lot of people say that this really didn't give them any coverage at all, so I'm curious to see what it looks like. I definitely don't have the perfect skin, so I really hope it gives us some coverage. So I got this in the shade G8. Looks like it would be a good match, so we'll see. And then next I got their Boy Brow because I had to hop on that train. Everybody was talking about it and using it, and I feel like I am way late in the game. So this is actually very small for the price. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but this is tiny. So I actually got this in the color black, so we'll see what that's like. And then I have their Night Shine Play Highlighter, which I'm very excited about, because this looked like a very nice rose gold color highlighter. Oh, and I also got their Stretch Concealer. This is what the concealer looks like. Very cute packaging. It is glass. And I got this in the shade G9, so we'll try that out. And of course, I had to get their Cloud Paint blushes. I feel like I am so late in the game. I got the color Storm, so I wanted to try that out, but I really do love creamy blushes in the summertime, so I'm very excited for that. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also got their Balm.com in Mango. I love a good lip balm. I actually want to start out with this. So, it smells really good. The texture is really nice. Sits really nice on the lips. So I'm gonna first start off with this Future Dew. Oh, nice, it has a pump. Just gonna take a couple pumps. I'm gonna use it as a primer. So Glossier is supposed to be more of a natural, no makeup type of a brand. So let's go into this Skin Perfecting tint. Okay, the color match seems to be okay. The serum really did give a nice dewy look to the skin, so it's definitely shiny. I like that. So that really did not give any coverage. I mean, I really like the finish and how glowy it is, but I just wish that it gave a little bit more coverage. So let's see if we can build it up a little bit more. I do have a few blemishes here, so I'm just going to focus it there. Okay, so let's blend it in. I don't think it's building up at all. Yeah, I don't think it's building up at all. So definitely doesn't look like I have any makeup on. So it does look like your skin, but if you did want some coverage, you ain't gonna get it with this. So let's go into the concealer. I hope that I can at least cover some of these blemishes up with this concealer. It's supposed to have some coverage. I mean, it's a concealer. So I have it in the color G9, and here's what it looks like. I think I'm gonna use my fingers for this. Just go in. Also want to go on the lid. It is very sheer, so if you do have dark circles underneath your eyes, you might need a little bit more to cover those up, or you might need to go in with another product to layer it on top. So I feel like I went in with a lot of concealer. I think we're gonna put that aside for now. So the concealer, again, is very sheer. It's definitely not full coverage, but I think it is more coverage than the skin tint, so that's fine. So let's try out this boy brow for the brows. This has a very small applicator, so just gonna go in and brush everything upwards. Oh, this is nice. It definitely feels like it's filling it in, which is very nice. I mean, I feel like you definitely have to have a good set of brow hair to make it work. That's the brows. I actually don't have any eyeshadows from Glossier. Not even sure if they have eyeshadows or they have some creamy products that I could use as eyeshadows, but I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette for the eyes. I'm just gonna keep it very neutral. So here's what the palette looks like. I'm sure you all know by now what this palette is. I'm going to take this color right here and put it on the crease of the eye. And we're going to smoke it out a little bit in the corner, so I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's a nice dark brown shade. And I'm using more of a little dome brush for more preciseness, so we're gonna put it at the end here. Go under the eyes with that same color. And then we're gonna do a little bit of a shimmery shade. I'm gonna use this pink right here. Let's also do some eyeliner, so I'm going to use this black eyeliner from Marc Jacobs. So here's what the eyes look like. We're gonna come back to it with the mascara. For now, I'm gonna leave it at that, and we're gonna go in with some blush. So I'm very excited for this. This is their Cloud Paint in the color Storm. It is a very nice sun-kissed look. So just going to take a little bit. Going to, ooh, it is very dark. I'm gonna use a little bit on the cheeks. I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush. Oh, no. Okay, so that is very dark, and I feel like I look like a clown. So we're going to use a more dense brush. I'm just going to use this one by It Cosmetics. I think it's a foundation brush, but I'm going to use it just to blend this product in a little bit more because it is very, very red. Okay, so I think that looks fine. we'll see out in the daylight if that makes me look like I'm a crazy person. But right now it looks okay. Then I'm gonna go in with their Night Shine highlighter. It's a very cute pink. Just going to put that on the high points. And I'm going to use my fingers with this. A little bit on the nose. So really like the highlighter. It's definitely more of a natural finish, but of course everything from Glossier I expect to be more natural, nothing crazy. Then I'm gonna go in with my Bambi Eye mascara from L'Oreal. Here's the finished look. It is definitely a natural, dewy type of makeup. It is a little bit more natural than I would like it to be. I think it's very good if going on a brunch or a coffee run or something where you don't need a full face of makeup, or you don't want to look like you have a full face of makeup. You can just kind of put these guys on and walk out the door. It definitely looks like your skin, so no problem there, but I feel like the craziest part of this look is the cheeks and the eyes. But I really do love this. I would just say that be careful with it because it is very pigmented, so definitely go light-handed, like I did not on this video. But other than that, I really like this oil serum. I can see myself using this again, maybe with higher coverage skin tint or foundation. But this maybe I'll use, like I said, getting out the door if I really need to put a little bit of something to make my skin look more put together and even things out a little bit. But it really did not cover any of the blemishes I have. So I would just say if you have a lot of blemishes, be careful with this. It definitely doesn't get rid of the texture. And then the concealer, I honestly could use more coverage, but this could be something I can put on top of maybe a corrector or another concealer that actually covers my under eyes, and then I can go in with this because it does give a nice shine to the under eye, but just not on its own. The balm.com is amazing, just like everybody says. Definitely feels good on the lips. I would recommend that. And then I do like the Bowie Brow. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. It's very nice just to kind of, again, get out the door, do your eyes quickly, and call it a day. And I really like the highlighter, so I definitely recommend that. It does have a pinkish pearly rose undertone, which I really like. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you do like some of these products that I just mentioned, or if you have any tips and tricks on using them, especially the concealer. I would love to get more use out of it. But don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this every single week, and see you guys in my next one.